Decarbonizing aviation is something on which air transport players can already act. How can this be achieved? By strengthening levels of cooperation, anticipation, and the exchange of information between air traffic control and airlines in order to maximize the occurrence of eco-friendly procedures. Increased collaboration between the various players is founded on the implementation of 3 pillars. A process to define collaborative rules throughout the different operational phases. Measurement to conduct a common assessment of climate impact. Digital tools to boost the interoperability of information exchanged, aid decision-making in the interest of the climate, and enable rapid large-scale deployment. In concrete terms, how can this be done? Let's take flight AFC 1920. During the strategic phase, one day prior to takeoff, an eco-friendly procedure orchestrator enables air traffic control centers to identify and publish green flag flight slots. These slots correspond to limited periods when certain ATC constraints can be reduced. This enables airlines to operate more environmentally friendly trajectories in accordance with an approved optimized procedure catalog. Green flag slots, symbolized by green areas on the map, are issued to the various airlines, who are made aware of the potential optimization provided. On this basis, the airlines can apply for the optimizations offered by those slots. On the day itself, the ATC operator selects the candidate flights by prioritizing the most eco-friendly procedures. The pilot is informed that their flight is eligible for a green flag slot and finds out about the optimization procedures ATC considers possible. In our example, this corresponds to a continuous descent upon approaching the destination airport. The plane takes off. During the flight, the pilot consults their tablet, an electronic flight bag, or EFB. The EFB presents a revised top of descent, updated in line with actual flight data. The pilot shares with ATC their intention to update the trajectory, either through conventional communications means or in anticipated fashion via connected EFB. The controller receives the request, assesses the actual situation to evaluate feasibility, taking into account both the impact on other flights and other air traffic control centers. Before descent commences, the orchestrator synchronizes players of the en route and approach centers in order to confirm or not realization of the continuous descent procedure based on that day's optimized top of descent. Once validated by ATC, the pilot is informed directly on their tablet of the feasibility of maintaining the continuous descent procedure within the terminal maneuvering area. The pilot contacts ATC to receive oral confirmation. The descent is carried out. In all, thanks to Green Flag, AFC 1920 managed to significantly reduce its CO2 emissions. Green Flag makes it possible to multiply this type of procedure to optimize the climate impact of a global air traffic system. Green Flag is designed to be gradually integrated into the current system thanks to pilot and controller assistance systems. A first experiment in real flight conditions is already underway, and a large-scale deployment is planned for 2025. By enhancing the work of controllers and facilitating interactions between airlines, Green Flag ATC is positioned as a new benchmark model for airspace management based on environmental responsibility.